What we have here today is a vintage, actually an antique pocket knife from Italy. It does say ricoedo di Roma. It has a weird looking cow with some guys underneath milking the cow. It does have a pearl handle on both sides. The blade actually is, hold on one second. It is made in Germany. I don't know if you can see that or not. It does say on there, well, it's kind of hard to see, but it is made in Germany. It is antique, so it does have a little spots of corrosion or, some little wear and tear. There's also a spot right there, a little splotchy right there, and on the back side. Due to the fact that it's in its present condition, although an antique, I am asking $15.99, and it's well worth it. Thank you.